What's up guys, Bed here, and today I'm in Animal Company and I'm going to be seeing how fast I can complete this only up with nothing and proof I have nothing. You see this? I've got nothing on me, no broccoli eaten. Let's do this. I'm just going to be speed running. I'm not trying to get a record, I'm just trying to beat it in a fast time, I guess. The fastest time I've ever done is 2 minutes before, but I had hover pads and umbrella. Oh no! Would you be Let's do this. Now I'm at my second least favourite section. My least favourite. Actually, this one's okay. I hate the Aztec one because I die so often. Like, it's actually crazy how often I die. That's... I think it's Animal Company 1 year soon. Like the update. Would ya? I'm Jesus. Wait, why would I be Jesus? I don't get to be Jesus. Not today. Not today. Today. Oh, 1 minute 2. Normally I'd be at 5 minutes by the time I made it at the top of this one. It's this way I go. Yeah. If you just do that, then you can skip a ton. I feel like in this only up, you can skip a ton. Should have put spikes going across there. Whoa! That's a stabby stab that. You can just skip that. Which I feel like's intended, but also not. That's something I want to test when I reach the end of this. I wonder, because the sunshine thing, it looks like you can go higher. I wonder if you can. My least favourite section is the Aztec, and then it's probably the spaceship map. I just feel it gets super slippy there. Go! When this was first released, that duck, if you didn't know, was green. It was yellow for some reason. Nope. Oh, freaking bikini, skibbity nap. Do you reckon I can make that? Whoa! There's a fire on that duck. What? That is actually really good to know. Is it just me that sweats like hell when doing only ups? I mean, if I can be fair, Quest lenses are steaming up a little bit. I can't really see. I always thought, for some reason, because I saw someone slip on this bit, because I thought it was slippery. So I thought it was slippery. But no, it's not actually that bad. I mean, it might be slower, but it's funner. Can you go any quicker? Oh no. My upload scheduled is probably the worst in the world. Except for K9's currently. Poor K9. I hope he comes back. If he's back already, then I don't pay enough attention. But I don't think he is. But I'm gonna try get back on doing channel again because I've got nothing else to do. Some people have said that I am like, I'm a yapper, like, but I don't yap nearly as much as Newt the monkey. He says he's gonna leak stuff and he doesn't.